Hello, I'm Oath. I live in the United States. This is my first time order Avon cosmetic and just open the box. I normally purchase deodorant Avon for my husband for many years. He used it before I came here and I just order what he like. I knew Avon since I live in Thailand when I was in college because as the e-commerce student, one of our class was marketing, that the students supposed to sell cosmetic products, which Avon was one brand that provided at college. So I know Avon from Thailand. So let's see today what I got. I got foundation, lipstick, mascara, brush, and earrings, plum. I don't know what plum that is the same as primer or not, but all of these are on sale. Oh, and the other one was earrings, and I think that's it, right? And after open the box, I did makeup right away. Let's see how it look. One thing is I order foundation color darker than my skin, so I put them on eBay. If you're interested, let me know. The thing I like the most in this purchase is lipstick. I like the cover and the color very much. Thank you for watching. Have a good day. Bye.